Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have taken a real-time scenario. This is very common error and almost everybody faces in their consulting career this issue. So issue is this: when I'm making the payment to the vendor invoice, I'm getting this issue. Even if you run the payment from the APP run, also you'll get same error. So what is the issue of this? Why we are getting this error? So what happened in the vendor master, if we have changed the withholding tax information after the invoice is posted. Let's say posted the invoice with some information. After you change the this withholding tax related information, you changed it. Then because of this inconsistency, you start getting this kind of error. Okay, you start getting this kind of error. So again, root cause is that first you posted the invoice, later you change the withholding tax information in the vendor master, then you will not be able to make the payment and you will start getting this kind of information. So SAP has given one program, you have to run that program to fix the issue. So come here, go to SC38, and this is the program you have to run it. Okay, to make the consistency between the invoice posted and your vendor master. So execute this program. You can give the supplier if you know. So let's say I know the supplier 173 4 times 01 173 4 times 01. Then you can give the invoice, sorry, company code number. Then if you know, you can give the document number also. This I am giving this document number. You can run in test mode or you can remove the test and you can run it. Okay, once you run it, the inconsistency problem get resolved it. Okay, now come out if and make the payment again. Give here just 100 rupees you are giving. Give the vendor, give the document number, hit enter, go inside, and okay, so still this issue not solved. I guess since you were inside, come out of this screen, again go and rerun. Check it, test mode is removed, run it. Okay, so now this invoice came here. Come back now, go again, make payment. I don't know what is the invoice value, therefore I'm giving 100. Later I will come and adjust it. This is the vendor, this is my invoice number. Go inside. See, now by default every invoices are ticked. So this is the amount. Go and change the amount. Come here. Okay, now see, select, don't select, you are not getting any error. Simulate it and you can post it. Post it. There is something mandatory field. Let's say this is the mandatory maybe. Come here.